Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Jason, and with me, as always, is my amazing co-host, Julia. How's it going today, Julia?
I'm doing great, Jason. And a big hello to all our listeners out there. Get ready because today we're diving into a really important topic: how to speak English smoothly without pausing too much.
Exactly. Many English learners struggle with hesitation. They pause often, trying to find the right words, or they get stuck translating from their native language. The result? Their speech sounds less natural and more broken.
Right. Speaking fluently and naturally is a big goal for most learners. But don't worry, today's episode is packed with practical tips and simple exercises to help you reduce those pauses and sound more confident.
So, if you've ever felt stuck mid-sentence or frustrated because the words just don't come out fast enough, stay tuned. By the end of this episode, you'll have solid strategies to help you think quicker and speak smoother.
Sounds great. Let's jump right in.
Before we dive into the solutions, let's first talk about why English learners pause so much. Julia, what are the main reasons you see?
Good question. There are several common reasons. 1. Lack of confidence. Many learners worry about making mistakes, so they hesitate. 2. Missing vocabulary. Sometimes you just don't know the word you need, so you stop and think. 3. Translating from your native language. This slows down your thoughts and interrupts your flow. 4. Feeling nervous, especially when talking to native speakers. Nerves can take over and freeze your brain.
Absolutely. Overthinking is one of the biggest fluency blockers. Instead of just speaking, learners focus too much on getting everything perfect. But here's the truth. Fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about flow.
Let's talk solutions. Here are 4 practical techniques that can help you speak more smoothly. 1. Think in English. Train your mind to process your thoughts directly in English instead of translating. Try this. Look around and describe your surroundings in English. For example, the window is open. I hear birds outside. 2. Use filler words like well, and I mean help keep your speech moving while you think. Example, instead of pausing in silence, say, well, I guess I'd say. 3. Shadowing. Listen to native speakers and repeat what they say immediately, matching their speed and rhythm. 4. Don't worry about being perfect if you can't remember a word. Describe it in another way. For example, say the thing that cools food if you forget refrigerator.
These are fantastic. I especially love shadowing. It's one of the best ways to build fluency and confidence.
To speak more quickly, you've got to train your brain. Try these simple strategies. Learn common phrases, not just words like to be honest, or as far as I know. Active listening. When you listen to podcasts or videos, try to predict what the speaker will say next. Mimic native speakers. Copy their tone, speed, and intonation. It really works.
Yes, immersing yourself in real English every day helps your brain get used to the rhythm and structure of the language.
Ready to practice? Here are a few fun and effective exercises. 1. Don't stop, even if you make mistakes. 2. Retell a story. Listen to a short story or video, then tell it back in your own words. 3. Speed talk. Set a timer for 2 minutes and talk as fast as you can, even if you're alone. 4. Use speech-to-text apps. Speak into your phone and see how accurately it captures your words.
These are pure gold. That 1-minute challenge, especially, really pushes you to keep talking and not overthink.
And finally, let's talk mindset. Mistakes are okay. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. Focus on communication, not perfection. If your message is clear, that's what matters. Fake confidence. Sound confident, even if you're not feeling it. Your brain will catch up.
Totally agree. Confidence can actually make a bigger impact than perfect grammar.
Let's wrap it all up. Reduce pauses by thinking in English, using fillers and shadowing. Train your brain by learning phrases and listening actively. Practice daily with challenges like the 1-minute talk. Build your confidence. Mistakes are part of the journey.
And here's your challenge. Pick one tip and practice it every day this week. Let us know in the comments which one you're going to try.
Thanks so much for listening. Keep practicing and keep speaking.